This is an ellipse. There is a point P theta. P theta means A cos theta, B sin theta. We will write it later on. The tangent, suppose I take P conveniently here so that you understand more clearly. Tangent is meeting at Q, normal is meeting at R. This is the situation. Length of QR is 2. We have to find cos theta. Now my ellipse is, given ellipse is x square plus 4y square is 4. I divide by 4 to get into standard form. X square by 4 plus y square by 1 is 1. This is the ellipse. So parameter coordinates will be 2 cos theta comma sin theta. This is P theta. This is P theta. 2 cos theta comma sin theta. I will write it here. 2 cos theta comma sin theta. Okay. Now we will find tangent equation. It is meeting at Q. We will find normal equation. We are meeting at R. We will find the distance and see what is happening. QR is given as 2. Tangent equation for this is the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 1 is 1. Tangent equation is S1 is equal to 0. What does this mean? X1 is x into 2 cos theta by 4 plus y into sin theta by 1 is equal to 1. If you leave this x cos theta by 2 plus y sin theta by 1 is equal to 1. Major axis means x-axis. Major axis means x-axis. To find Q, put y0 here. If you put y0, what do you get x value? To find Q, putting y0 here, x cos theta by 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 by cos theta. That means Q point is 2 by cos theta comma 0. Because it is x-axis. 2 by cos theta comma 0. Q is. Now if I find R, my work is over. There is nothing. I am through the question. To find R, I want the normal. Now the tangent at P is, already you have seen, this is the curve. Please look at the curve. And the tangent is x into 2 cos theta by 4 plus y into sin theta by 1 is 1. As you know, if you order it, x cos theta by 2 plus y sin theta by 1 is equal to 1. Slope is, tangent slope is minus a by b. If the straight line is in the form of ax plus by plus c, the slope is minus a by b. That is minus of cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 1. This is minus of cos theta by 2 sin theta. This is slope of tangent. Look at this carefully. Minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta. Minus cos theta by 2 sin theta. When tangent slope is this, normal slope will be 2 sin theta by cos theta. 2 sin theta by cos theta, normal slope. Write it here as normal slope. So what is the equation of normal at P? Let us write it. What the equation of normal at P is? The equation of normal at P is y minus y1 is equal to the slope of normal 2 sin theta by cos theta into x minus x1. This is a normal equation. But this normal is going from here and meeting major axis at R. To find this point, put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, this becomes minus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by cos theta into x minus 2 cos theta, leaving sin theta, and minus cos theta by 2 plus 2 cos theta. Finally, I calculated directly x value, that is 3 cos theta by 2. So this is, R value is 3 cos theta by 2 comma 0. Okay, this is 3 cos theta by. Now the distance between these two is given as 2. QR is 2. Let us write this. QR is 2. Given QR is 2. QR is 2 means QR square is 4. QR square is 4 means 2 by cos theta minus 3 by cos theta by 2 whole square is 4. There is no second coordinate. This is 4. Now let us find cos theta value from this. That is what answer is. So I don't want all these details. What I did, I found tangent equation and put y is equal to 0 in that. Again I found normal. Why I am putting y is equal to 0? Because tangent is meeting x-axis. So I want to find the point where it is meeting x-axis. For that I am putting y 0. I get x value. Similarly, same thing with the normal. And once I have the, there is no need to take this whole square. 2 cos theta minus 3 cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Let us find cos theta value from this. 4 minus 3 cos square theta is equal to, I will take plus first and calculate 2 into cos theta. So 3 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta minus 4 is 0. So, and this is gone that side, this is plus only. Calculation part you can very well verify. So what it is 12 and 4, 3 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 4 is 0, and 3 cos theta into cos theta plus 2 minus 2 into cos theta plus 2 is 0. Very well. One value of cos theta will be minus 2, which is not possible. The other value of cos theta is 2 by 3, hence proved. This is what the very important question we have taken. Look at this carefully. And now in this question actually is asking tangent is meeting x-axis, major axis, that means x-axis. Normal is also meeting x-axis. Q I got, R I got, the distance formula I applied, and I have calculated the value of cos theta finally. Now let us go to the next question. Find, in this question find, you can write for the ellipse 4x square plus y. I don't know even it is ellipse or not, but he is asking minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the ellipse equation, note down. 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. For this we have to find focus, vertex, vertices or vertex or whatever it may be, directrix, latus rectum, all the length of major axis, length of minor axis, what not, everything. This equation is not in the standard form. First thing is you have to put it in the standard form. Then only we can do it. First we have to put it in the standard form. How do we do that? Let us see. I am taking these two, 4x square minus 8x plus y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Please look at this carefully. 4x square minus 8. If I take common x square minus 2x and plus y plus 1 whole square, it is equal to 0, because I don't want to take this as a, I divide by 4, x square minus 2x, rather than I will make plus 1 4 into plus 1 minus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square is 0. I want to push it further, 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. This is very important. Two perfect squares, we are writing it as two perfect squares. This calculations you can verify once again on your own, and if you just look at this, 4, if you divide by 4, x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square by 4, here 1 is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So finally the ellipse reduced to x minus 1 whole square by 1 plus y plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. This is the ellipse. X square by a square, y square by b square is 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. Now the major axis is 4. I mean actually a is, it's a second type of ellipse. You can shift the origin to 1 and minus 1 and follow the same procedure like the ellipse. That's it. This reduction is important. Don't forget, you always reduce the equation in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1, and then proceed as it is. Next question. Find the equations of common tangents. Find the equations of common tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square and the parabola y square is equal to 8ax. Common tangents for one curve is parabola, one curve is circle. One of the curves is parabola, one of the curves is circle. Let us see how to go about this. We understand the figure y square is equal to, suppose x square plus, this is the circle given because its center is 0, 0. X square plus y square is equal to 2a square, and the parabola is like this. The common tangents are like this. This is one common tangent and this is one common tangent. Common tangent is that should touch the first curve as well as the second curve. First curve as well as the second curve. This is common tangent. But how do we get common tangent? From figure there is no, it's only for idea. A circle is given, an ellipse is given, and the common tangent is required. So we are just have the idea. But how, for any different curves, I give you a hint here. The hint is, for two different curves, the common tangents, to find common tangents for two different curves, assume for one curve, and apply the condition for second curve, and apply for second curve. This is the basic idea. The basic idea is, assume the curve, two different curves, assume for one curve and apply for second curve. Now let us look at this, how to do this. In a circle, if I take x square plus y square is equal to a square, the tangent condition you should always remember, c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So any tangent to the circle can be taken as y is equal to mx plus or minus a into under root 1 plus m square. Any tangent to the circle, note down. Any tangent to the circle, please note down. This is a very important thing. Very two steps you can do if you know this. But my